Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest brand video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your purchase could not be completed on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15 when you are updating or installing apps from the App Store. Many Apple users are facing this problem. So if you are facing this problem, watch the video till end because I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. So first of all, I'll tell you that this error may occur due to the following reasons. So if you are using the same Apple ID for the different credit cards, then this error may occur, or buying thing which is not allowed in the App Store, or you have put the false information about the credit card in the payment information, or your credit card has been blocked. So any of the reason may be. So how to fix this? Just go back to your home screen. So actually I have three methods to solve this problem, so hopefully one of them will fix your problem as well. So let's start it. In first method, what you have to do is just open settings, and from here what you have to do is just tap on Apple ID profile and then sign out your Apple ID here and turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn it on again, and then sign in your Apple ID and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then go for the second one. For that, again go back to your home screen, and then what you have to do is just tap on again settings and then scroll it down and tap here on screen time, and again scroll it down and tap here on content and privacy restrictions, and from here tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. Enter your passcode here, screen time, and then tap here in-app purchases, and from here make sure that you have checked on allow, and if it's don't allow, then you have to allow, and then go back and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick also doesn't work for you, then go for the third and final one. For that, again open settings app on your device and then tap on Apple ID profile here, and then what you have to do is just tap on media and purchases. Now tap on view account, and from here what you have to do is just tap on manage payments, and now tap here on your Apple ID name, that is Unlock Force, or you have your own Apple ID name. So type it, and here you have to put the correct information about your credit card, that is a billing address, or if you have put already correct, then what you have to do is just update it and then tap on done, and then go back and check. So hopefully your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.